Okay, mock-up for the battery management system load center. Can't manage a battery until you have it under a load. Anyway, here, lithium ferric PO4. We have 13 cells. We have the Korean battery management system here. It came with the unit from China. It's not a true cell isolation system, so you can see the whole system's all bussed together, and that's not good. If you wanted to isolate the cell, it's got one temperature probe. If this one were to bake over here, we'd never know it over here. So it's kind of sensing an area when it's in its case. These are supposedly the individual cell reads to ensure that we don't have overcharge or over discharge. Anyway, altogether she pumps out 52.9 volts. I've gone ahead and inserted a 20 amp fuse on the feed side just to protect the controller and the batteries. I've gone ahead and installed this golf cart motor management device. It's rated from 24 to 36 volts at 250 amps. We're running 48 volts at 20 to 60 amps, so this thing is working just fine with our load. So we got the switch, we got the new fuse, we got the Korean battery management system. On the actual motor controller, we have a huge capacitor that gets charged up independently, or it should be charged up independently of the load. So that's what this switch does here. We go ahead and crank it up, and it's bussed right in there. And on that we have a variable potentiometer. Some people call them rheostats. Anyway, it's a 5 ohm device, and it's designed to adjust our motor. We turn it all the way down so that we don't have a massive load when we kick it up. So voltage meter shows at the click of the switch 52.9 volts. That's what's coming out of here. They're fully charged. Okay. This is all the way in the off position. We go ahead and bring the motor online. Capacitor's charged, and in theory when we turn this, we spin that. Look at that. The final objective on the entire system will be to install some kind of gearing down for this to put a load on it or a brake, so that we can increase the load on the entire system. See if this has got the guts to keep going, the Korean battery management device. The overall objective is to get this mounted on a bench and build a better battery management and better motor control system for our applications in robotics and electric bicycles. Alright, that's a wrap. Later.